Have you ever imagined the delightful chaos of combining 10 meals from 10 different corners of the world? Picture the vibrant spices of India, the rustic charm of Italy, the exotic allure of Africa, and more on a single plate. Today we delve into the culinary world's latest fascination, an intricate combo of 10 meals that represent different parts of the world. The first stop on our global food tour is Italy with its iconic pasta. Picture a steaming bowl of spaghetti tossed in a rich tomato and basil sauce. The memory brings me back to a quaint Italian bistro where the pasta was always al dente and the aroma of fresh basil filled the air. Next, we head to the land of sushi, Japan. A bite of sushi is like a piece of art, each roll a testament to the precision and dedication of the sushi chef. It takes me back to my trip to Tokyo, where I first experienced the delicate balance of flavors and textures that sushi offers. From the land of the rising sun, we venture to the vibrant country of Mexico. Here we find the humble yet delicious taco. Packed with flavors and textures, every bite of a taco is a fiesta in your mouth. I remember my stint in Mexico City, where I tasted the most authentic tacos from a roadside vendor. Our next stop is India, a country renowned for its diverse and flavorful cuisine. The spicy and aromatic curry is a sensory experience like no other. The memory of my first curry in Mumbai, with its complex spices and flavors, is one I will always cherish. From Asia, we move to the Middle East with the tangy and wholesome falafel. Each bite of this deep-fried delicacy takes me back to my days in Israel, where I discovered the simple joy of a warm falafel sandwich after a long day of exploring. Next, we find ourselves in Greece, where the hearty moussaka reigns supreme. The layered eggplant and meat dish is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Greece. A bite of moussaka brings back memories of a summer spent on the sun-kissed beaches of Santorini. Then we travel to the heart of Africa, where the flavorful jollof rice is a staple. The spicy one-pot rice dish is a celebration of African flavors. My time in Nigeria introduced me to this delightful dish, a memory that still warms my heart. Our culinary journey then takes us to France, the epitome of fine dining. The classic coq au vin, a slow-cooked chicken in red wine, is a French culinary masterpiece. The memory of my first coq au vin in a Parisian cafe is one of pure bliss. From Europe, we head to the land of kangaroos, Australia. The simple yet delicious meat pie is a favorite among Aussies. My trip down under taught me the joy of a warm meat pie on a cold winter day. Finally, we end our journey in America with the classic hamburger. A juicy patty sandwiched between two soft buns is comfort food at its best. I remember my days in New York, where the best meals were often the simplest, like a good old-fashioned burger. In conclusion, this intricate combo of 10 meals from different parts of the world is a testament to the diversity and richness of global cuisine. It's a culinary journey that takes us from the rustic kitchens of Italy to the bustling streets of Mexico, from the vibrant markets of India to the serene landscapes of Greece and beyond. It's a reminder that food is a universal language that binds us all, no matter where we come from. And most importantly, it's a celebration of the joy of discovery and the power of a good meal to create lasting memories.